Deer are fascinating creatures that have captivated humans for thousands of years, not only for their beauty and grace but also for their significance in various cultures worldwide. These animals belong to the family Cervidae, which includes around 50 species, such as the white-tailed deer, reindeer, also known as caribou in North America, elk, and moose. Deer are native to all continents except Australia and Antarctica, showcasing their adaptability to a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to Arctic tundra. One of the most distinguishing features of deer is their antlers, which are found mostly on males, except in the case of reindeer where both males and females grow them. Antlers are made of bone and are shed and regrown annually, unlike horns, which are permanent. The process of shedding and regrowing antlers is an energy-intensive process, reflecting the health and vitality of the deer. These magnificent structures are primarily used during the mating season, serving as weapons in battles for the attention of females. Deer are highly adaptable creatures with diets that vary depending on their habitat but primarily consist of vegetation, including leaves, grass, herbs, and in some cases, tree bark. This diet classifies them as herbivores. Deer have a unique four-chambered stomach, which allows them to digest a wide variety of plant materials. This digestive process, called rumination, involves regurgitating and rechewing their food to break it down further, making it easier to absorb nutrients. The behavior of deer can vary significantly between species. Some deer, like the white-tailed deer, are primarily solitary, especially outside of the mating season, known as the rut. Others, like elk and caribou, are more social, forming large herds that migrate over long distances to access seasonal feeding grounds. This migratory behavior is especially pronounced in caribou, which undertake some of the most extensive migrations of any terrestrial mammal, traveling hundreds of miles between their summer and winter habitats. Deer play a crucial role in their ecosystems. As browsers and grazers, they help control plant populations, which can influence the structure of forests and grasslands. They are also prey for various predators, including wolves, bears, and big cats, playing an essential part in the food web. However, in many areas, human activity has led to significant changes in deer populations. Habitat destruction, hunting, and the introduction of deer into new areas have caused some species to become endangered, while others have become overpopulated, leading to conflicts with agriculture and forestry. Conservation efforts for deer vary widely depending on the species and the specific threats they face. In some cases, such as with the endangered key deer in Florida, measures include habitat protection and strict regulations on hunting. In other instances, where populations are overabundant, controlled hunts and habitat management strategies are employed to keep deer populations in check, ensuring they remain a vital part of their ecosystems without causing undue harm to human interests or the environment. Their current circumstance is for the most part green and woody, albeit some incline toward tundra and field biomes. The measures of deer fluctuate as some are humongous while others are extremely little. The southern pudu weighs around 9 kg, goes to the extent that 14 inches tall when at complete development, making it the littlest of the family. The moose can gauge up to around 820 kg and go up to 6.5 inches tall at complete development, making it the biggest of the family. Deer are at a ton of hazard of death in their territory due to the natural difficulties and their various hunters. All things considered, a deer can satisfy between 10 to 25 years, changing starting with one animal varieties then on to the next. Male red deer makes itself discharge by scouring its tusks against the grass. Deer stroll in bunches called crowds. They are social creatures. They can stroll in genders or have a prevailing male pioneer. A male crowd can look after female groups. The crowd could have up to 100,000 individuals. Deer have incredible hearing detects. Deer can move their ears and make them face various bearings without moving their head due to the muscles it has. It likewise gets sound frequencies higher than people. Deer's eyes are on the head. This gives deer a wide vision point of 310 degrees, making it inordinately difficult to zero in on a point of convergence. They, in any case, have noteworthy night vision, which is fundamental during their taking care of time and break from hunters. In South Carolina, individuals get charge help when they hit a deer with their vehicle and give out the meat for a remarkable reason. In conclusion, deer are not only beautiful and intriguing animals but also integral components of their ecosystems. Their adaptability and diverse lifestyles make them a subject of interest for scientists and nature lovers alike. As we move forward, it's crucial to continue efforts to understand and protect these majestic creatures and their habitats, ensuring that future generations can also marvel at their grace and beauty.